Hello roller skaters. Today we're talking about stairs. If you skate around almost anywhere, at some point you're probably going to find some stairs, maybe little ones, maybe big ones. So it's good to know how to deal with them. If you're not prepared to like jump down the stairs or something, you know, which is kind of a little more extreme, but just kind of on a general, just kind of street skating for beginners kind of level. So we're going to start by, I would say, the easiest way for me to go up these stairs. The easiest way is to hold on to the rail if there is a rail. But even so, you want to keep your knees bent and your weight sort of hinging forward from your hips so you're nice and soft. And I think it's easiest to step up sideways. So it's like you don't feel like you're rolling as much. So you step up sideways, sideways. Stepping up, stepping up. You can also do this crossing over and forward as you go up the stairs. That's a little faster. But also when you do that version, you feel more roll, so it feels a little less stable, right? Now I'm gonna come back down. Again, you can use that rail if you have one. Bending your knees, stepping one foot at a time, kind of keeping that movement sideways. Sideways, sideways. And if you wanna do the cross back, maybe, I don't know, maybe not. It depends probably on the situation. It also depends on the surface of the stairs. So some stairs might be really slippery or feel really weird or slick or something. If you really feel like that rolling action is too much, if you have toe stops, you can go up and down the stairs on the toe stops because that keeps you from rolling at all. So again, keeping your knees bent. For me, I think it's easier to go kind of sideways still, even with this. One toe stop and then the other, or crossing if you like, if you're into that. And down, little toe stop dance. Crossing if you want. So that's a couple different ways, simple ways to go up and down stairs. Again, the main thing is keeping your weight forward and knees bent, using the rail if you need to, and trying to move more sideways rather than going straight up and down the way we would without our skates up and down the stairs. Another fun thing, like coming down the stairs, that is especially fun on smaller little stair sets, I'll show it off of here, is just a little fun thing to do if you like it. So you're comfortable doing a little 180 jump. I turn more naturally to the left, so I'm gonna reach this way. If you're the other way, you reach that way. And of course this works with the handrail, where you bend your knees, reach for the handrail, jump, land, and skate away. But of course, just judging that, maybe starting with one little step, then maybe two or three. I don't know, see how many you can work up to just for kicks and giggles. So hopefully that's something y'all can use. Please let us know in the comments if you have suggestions or requests or questions, and please like and comment, subscribe. See you next time.